Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Activator. So we'll go ahead with the part 2 of our Pandas series. So let's start it. In the first video you have seen I have discussed loading of CSV file and some of the operations on that. And today I'm going to cover how we can create a data frame using different types or using different methods. So in the first video we have discussed we can create a data frame using CSV file, and similarly we can create a data frame using Excel file also. So I've just converted that loan CSV into loan.xlsx, and that is a Excel file. So we can create a data frame on that also. If you have a dictionary, Python dictionary, we can convert that to a data frame, and similarly a list of tuple also. So we'll see one by one all of these things. So for converting we need pandas. So first of all we have imported pandas as pd, and now since we have covered the conversion of data frame using CSV file, now we'll do it with Excel. So pd dot, and like CSV reading, here we have read underscore Excel, and here again we have to pass the path of the file. So my path is loan.xlsx, and if I run it, our data frame has been created. And if we just print the head method, so it will going to print top 5. So we have loaded this xlx file and we have created our data frame, and these are the index value 0, 1, 2, and these are the index which are by default assigned to our data frame. We'll see in the next video how we can change this indexing and all those things. Okay, so second part has been done, like we can create a data frame using Excel also. How we can create a data frame using list of dictionary, and what is the similarity we can get between a dictionary and our data frame. So let me just copy over a dictionary which I have written here. Okay, so a dictionary with the player's name I have created, and here you can see this is the key name and the value is a list. So in this value we have 3 names: Dhoni, Virat and Rohit, and the another key is team, and the values are CSK, RCB, Mumbai Indians, and the role key is with having value captain, batsman and opener, although all are captains of their respective team, but I just assign different values, Dhoni for captain, Virat for batsman and Rohit as an opener. So this is a dictionary I have, and now we can convert it to a data frame. But before converting, let's assume all these key, this name, team, and role, this is going to be our column. This key of a dictionary is going to become our column like this. So name column will be there, team column will be there, and role will be there, and all the value associated with the particular key is going to be the row. So how many rows we will have? We'll have the first row with the name of Dhoni and with all these 3 value, name, team and role. Another with the Virat and all other things. So let's create a data frame on that. So let's run it, shift enter, and now to create a data frame using dictionary we have to call pd.dataframe. So let's run data frame equals to pd.data, and please keep in mind that D and F are in caps. If you don't pass it in caps, it is going to give an error. Data frame, and we are going to pass players. So we have passed the players dictionary and it has converted it into a data frame. And now if we print it, we'll see Dhoni, CSK and captain. Dhoni, CSK and captain. All these things has converted into a row, and a total of 3 row, and this key has been converted into a columns: name, team and role. So this is about how we can convert a dictionary into a data frame in Pandas. And if you remember from our Python dictionary, if we have to access a column, suppose I want to access the team, what we used to do? We used to give the name of the dictionary, and inside square bracket we used to pass the column name team. And you can see here we have received CSK, RCB and Mumbai Indians. Similar thing we have to do with the data frame also. I want to retrieve the team of this. What we will do? We'll call the data frame, and inside square bracket we need to pass the column team. And if we run it, the only difference you will see that when we call it as a dictionary, we are going to retrieve a list of output. But when we call data frame of TM, we are getting the index value along with the items of that team, CSK, RCB and Mumbai Indians. So we can get an intuition between dictionary and data frame, and this is the way we used to access in dictionary, and this is the way we are going to access in a data frame. So we have created our data frame using dictionary also. So we have covered the top three part, and now we can create a using list of tuples also. So instead we won't have any key here in tuples. So let's create it using list of tuples. I will give this file in the video description also, so you can download it from there and you can run it on your. So let me copy the tuples also. The same thing I am using in tuples. So we have our tuples with the list of tuples. So inside our list, the first tuple value is Dhoni CSK and he's the captain. The second tuple is Virat RCB team and he's the batsman, and Rohit Mumbai Indians and he's the opener. So how we can convert it as a data frame? So here again we have to call the data frame, and df equals to pd dot data, and f will be in caps, data frame. We'll need to pass the variable. So the variable is players, and since in our dictionary we already have keys, so that is going to be our columns, name, team and role. But here we don't have any key thing in tuple, so we need to mention what should be the our columns name. So we have to define columns equals to, and here we have to pass a list of the columns. So what will be the column? The first will be the name, and second will be the team, because as you can see the first one is the name, second one is the team, and third one is the role of that player. So team, and the third one will be role of that player. And now if we run it, what is the init got an expected keyword columns. Okay, columns, columns. As you can see, we run it and our data frame has been created. If we just run df, and we'll see our this tuple has been, list of tuple has been converted into data frame, where we'll have row and column. This indexing has came by default, and this column has no team, name, team and role. So these are the some of the way which we can use to convert our data into a data frame type. So that's enough for today's video. From next video we'll go ahead with the indexing in pandas, and if you like this video please like it, and if you are new to my channel please subscribe it. Thank you for watching.